A Schmidt trigger is A comparator with only one trigger point. B. A comparator with hysteresis. C. A comparator with 3 trigger points. D. None of the above. The correct answer is a comparator with hysteresis. Refer to the given figure. This circuit is known as A non-inverting amplifier, B. A differentiator, C. An integrator, D. A summing amplifier. The correct answer is an integrator. The output of a Schmidt trigger is A pulse waveform, B. sawtooth waveform, C. sinusoidal waveform, D. triangle waveform. The correct answer is pulse waveform. Refer to the given figure. This circuit is known as A non-inverting amplifier, B. A differentiator, C. An integrator, D. A summing amplifier. The correct answer is a differentiator. Refer to the given figure. A square wave input is applied to this amplifier. The output voltage is most likely to be A square wave, B. A triangle wave, C. A sine wave, D. No output. The correct answer is a triangle wave. Refer to the given figure. What is the output voltage? A to V, B to V, C V sat, D V sat. The correct answer is V sat. If an op-amp comparator has a gain of 100,000 an input difference of 0.2 mV above reference and a supply of 12 V, the output will be A 20 V, B 12 V, C 10 V, D 15 V. The correct answer is 12 V. A comparator with a Schmidt trigger has A 2 trigger levels, B a fast response, C a slow response, D 1 trigger level. The correct answer is 2 trigger levels. Refer to the given figure. Determine the upper trigger point. A V out max, B V out max, C 1.41 V, D 1.41 V. The correct answer is 1.41 V. In and when the input voltage exceeds a specified reference voltage, the output changes state. A integrator, B differentiator, C summing amplifier, D comparator. The correct answer is comparator. Refer to the given figure. If V in 5V, the rate of change of the output voltage in response to a single pulse input is A 15.2 mVs, B 1.52 Vs, C 1.52 mVs, D 15.2 Vs. The correct answer is 1.52 mVs. In a flash AD converter, the priority encoder is used to A select the first input, B select the highest value input, C select the lowest value input, D select the last input. The correct answer is select the highest value input. What circuit produces an output that approximates the area under the curve of an input function? A integrator, B differentiator, C summing amplifier, D comparator. The correct answer is integrator. An op-amp has an open loop gain of 90,000. V sat 13 V. A differential voltage of 0.1 VPP is applied between the inputs. What is the output voltage? A 13 V, B 13 V, C 13 VPP, D 26 VPP. The correct answer is 26 VPP. Refer to the given figure. Determine the output voltage. A 1 V, B 1 V, C V sat, D V sat. The correct answer is V sat. A good example of hysteresis is an A AM radio, B thermostat, C alarm clock, D none of the above. The correct answer is thermostat. To reduce the effects of noise resulting in erratic switching of output states of a comparator, you can use A. the upper trigger point, B. the lower trigger point, C. non-zero level detection, D. hysteresis. The correct answer is hysteresis. Refer to the given figure. With the inputs shown, determine the output voltage. A. 7V, B. 7V, C. Vsat, D. Vsat. The correct answer is Vsat. Refer to the given figure. Determine the output voltage Vout. A. 1.05V, B. 0.35V, C. 0.35V, D. 1.05V. The correct answer is 1.05V. What are the necessary components for the design of a bounded comparator? A. rectifier diodes, B. Zener diodes, C. both of the above, D. The correct answer is Zener diodes. Refer to the given figure. What is the output voltage? A. 0.5V, B. 0.5V, C. 2V, D. 2V. The correct answer is 0.5V. What types of circuits use comparators? A. summer, B. non-zero level detector, C. averaging amplifier, D. summer and non-zero level detector. The correct answer is non-zero level detector. A differentiator is used to measure A. the sum of the input voltages, B. the difference between two voltages, C. the area under a curve, D. the rate of change of the input voltage. The correct answer is the rate of change of the input voltage. Refer to the given figure. Determine the lower trigger point. A. Vout max, B. Vout max, C. 2.47V, D. 2.47V. The correct answer is 2.47V. An amplifier is a summing amplifier with a closed-loop gain equal to the reciprocal of the number of inputs. A. averaging, B. scaling, C. none of the above, D. The correct answer is averaging. Is a mathematical process for determining the rate of change of a function. A. integration, B. differentiation, C. summing, D. comparatoring. The correct answer is differentiation. An integrator circuit. A. uses a resistor in its feedback circuit, B. uses an inductor in its feedback circuit, C. uses a capacitor in its feedback circuit, D. uses a resistor in its feedback circuit or uses a capacitor in its feedback circuit. The correct answer is uses a capacitor in its feedback circuit. In a comparator with output bounding, what type of diode is used in the feedback loop? A. Schottky, B. junction, C. Zener, D. varactor. The correct answer is Zener. A comparator with hysteresis is sometimes known as an A. integrator, B. differentiator, C. Schmitt trigger, D. none of the above. The correct answer is Schmitt trigger. Which of the following are variations of the basic summing amplifier? A. averaging amplifier, B. scaling amplifier, C. both of the above, D. The correct answer is both of the above. The center frequency of a band-pass filter is always equal to the A. bandwidth, B. 3 dB frequency, C. bandwidth divided by Q, D. geometric average of the critical frequencies. The correct answer is geometric average of the critical frequencies. The formula shows that for a given capacitor, if the voltage changes at a constant rate with respect to time, the current will A. increase, B. decrease, C. be constant, D. decrease logarithmically. The correct answer is B. Constant. A zero-level detector is A comparator with a sine wave output. B. Comparator with a trip point referenced to 0. C. Peak detector. D. Limiter. The correct answer is comparator with a trip point referenced to 0. A digital to analog converter is an application of the A. Scaling adder. B. Voltage to current converter. C. Non-inverting amplifier. D. Adjustable bandwidth circuit. The correct answer is scaling adder. If the value of resistor RF in an averaging amplifier circuit is equal to the value of one input resistor divided by the number of inputs, the output will be equal to A. The average of the individual inputs. B. The inverted sum of the individual inputs. C. The sum of the individual inputs. D. The inverted average of the individual inputs. The correct answer is the inverted average of the individual inputs. If the input to a comparator is a sine wave, the output is A. Ramp voltage. B. Sine wave. C. Rectangular wave. D. Sawtooth wave. The correct answer is rectangular wave. A basic series regulator has A. An error detector. B. A load. C. A reference voltage. D. Both an error detector and a reference voltage. The correct answer is both an error detector and a reference voltage. A comparator is an example of an A. active filter. B. current source. C. linear circuit. D. nonlinear circuit. The correct answer is nonlinear circuit. Initially, the closed-loop gain ACL of a Wien bridge oscillator should be A. CL3. B. CL3. C. 0. D. CL1. The correct answer is CL3. In an averaging amplifier, the input resistances are A. equal to the feedback resistance. B. less than the feedback resistance. C. greater than the feedback resistance. D. unequal. The correct answer is greater than the feedback resistance. A triangular wave oscillator can consist of an op-amp comparator followed by an A. differentiator. B. amplifier. C. integrator. D. multivibrator. The correct answer is integrator. The ramp voltage at the output of an op-amp integrator A. increases or decreases at a linear rate. B. increases or decreases exponentially. C. is always increasing and never decreasing. D. is constant. The correct answer is increases or decreases at a linear rate. A. two-pole high-pass active filter would have a roll off rate of A. 40 dB decade. B. 40 dB decade. C. 20 dB decade. D. 20 dB decade. The correct answer is 40 dB decade.